Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to send USDT from Tonkeeper to the Telegram wallet. Now, in order to send your USDT from your Tonkeeper wallet over to your Telegram Web3 wallet, it's quite easy to accomplish this. Open up your Tonkeeper application. Once it's opened, make sure you have some Toncoin to cover your gas fees. If you do not have the Toncoin to cover your gas fees, use the buy and sell option to simply buy yourself some Toncoin via a third-party source like Mercury, MoonPay, or Transact. Once you've gotten yourself some Toncoin to cover your gas fees, click on the USDT, click on the send option, then simply minimize and open up your Telegram account. Alright guys, so once your Telegram has opened up, make sure you have an account here and the hamburger icon on the top left. Click on this hamburger icon and you'd be taken to the screen where you can simply access your wallet. So click on the wallet option from your Telegram, and once here, locate where it says dollars, click on the USDT, and then simply click on receive. Once you selected receive, remember we are to send our Toncoin, we are to send our USDT on the Toncoin network. So click on Ton, copy this address, minimize, and then open up your Tonkeeper. Paste the address there, enter a comment, but there is no comment required from the Telegram wallet. So simply click on continue, enter an amount you wish to send, and simply hit continue. By doing this, you successfully sent your USDT from the Tonkeeper wallet over to your Telegram wallet. So guys, that's how it can be done. Comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.